In today's video, we're going to walk through how to plan a trade from start to finish using the tools inside Optimus Futures Web. These are tools you can use completely free when you visit demo.optimusfutures.com. We'll start by taking your charts from this, a clean blank chart, to this, a fully marked, structured chart that you can reuse every single day. First, we'll go over how to mark in key levels and save them as a template so you don't have to redraw everything each morning. Then we'll walk through how to use those levels along with structure and execution tools to plan and execute a trade from start to finish. So if you're not sure what your charts should look like, or you don't really have a starting point, you can copy this setup or use it as a reference. These are levels I personally look at every day, and they're extremely easy to mark in the Optimus Futures Web platform. To start, come over here to the left and click on horizontal ray. You'll mark that in there. You can double click it and label it here. We'll do overnight high, change the color. And to copy this line, what you would do is press and hold Control and then click and drag. So it just copies it, double click and mark in L for overnight low. You can repeat this process for previous day high and low, previous day value high and low. And then we'll use a fixed range volume profile to find the POC and, of course, the value area high and low. To find the previous day value area low and the value area high, we're going to use the fixed range volume profile. So just click on that, choose the starting point and the end point, and then it will have the POC with the red line, and then the value low and the value high. I typically do this from the start of the overnight session to the close of the US session. Now that we have our previous day levels marked, as well as the overnight low and high, we can start marking structure on the chart. So again, you can either use a horizontal line. There's also a rectangle you can use for ranges, but we'll just go over some levels here. This is where buyers stepped in and price broke up on the beginning of Monday, January 12th. We'll mark in this level here and change the color for reference. And we'll also mark in this low. So now let's say we're going into the US Open. It's about 6 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. We have the overnight low marked in. And let's say over here on the left, we have an hourly chart. Let's say that our hypothesis is that we want to sell a potential retest of a level in this area. Now, this is a 1 hour chart. We're not going to see much detail. So we would come down here to a 5-minute chart and watch bar by bar. So US market opens, pushes up, comes down, breaks below the overnight low. There's some buyers at the 55 level, makes another leg lower, and now price comes back up. So let's say you wanted to sell this level here. We can mark it in somewhere around 69.68. What we can do to measure risk reward is come over here to the left and click on short position. And we'll just say that we want to get filled at 69.69. We'll put our stop above this range here, and our target will be below liquidity here. So now we can see that we are risking 13.75 points, and our target is 34.5 points away. Go another bar. So we would have gotten filled here. Stop not hit. Price starts to move down, moves down again, and almost is at our target. And then there's some buyers here. So if we wanted to say, either we're scaling out of a position or we're trailing our stop, we don't want this move to retrace more than 50%. So what we can do is come and get the Fibonacci retracement tool, work in the high and the low. So now we could say that our stop is going to go above, let's say, 69.57. So our stop is here at 69.57, and we'll keep going forward. Our stop does not get hit if we were trailing it, and we are out at our target just below this support. So that's one way you can plan a trade from start to finish using the tools inside Optimus Futures Web. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, feel free to like the video, subscribe, or leave a comment. And if you want to follow along or try this for yourself, you can get started for free at demo.optimusfutures.com.